Floral expression watercolors, bold and loose. These floral expression watercolors have become a daily ritual to me, and for me they are the best practice for painting loose and vivid. Get your biggest brush available and start with an intense color statement on your paper. I used a large flat brush here with a strong but also fluid mixture of genuine rose and magenta, and tried to create a few colorful shapes with only a few bold brush strokes. In contrast, I suggest some leaves and the stems with cobalt turquoise and another flower with Naples yellow.